Hey everyone, welcome back to Gold Mines Review. Today we are reviewing Face Form Warrior, a tool that promises to take your content creation journey into a next level with AI powered integration. But is it really worth to upgrade or should you just stick with the free version? Let's find out. So, what is Face Form Warrior? It's an AI powered software made for faceless content creations like YouTube automation and Instagram automations like that. Perfect for content marketers as well as freelancers and small business owners who rely on digital platforms. If I give you to an one line sentence, it's like having your own virtual content studio in your own laptop. What problem it solves and some features. Here's the problem it solves. Creating engaging video takes time and it takes lots of resources and sometimes a camera ready face. This tool changed that. With just a single image, you can create marketing avatars, face swaps, or even ride a seasonal trending niche using AI generated characters. You can recreate a virtual videos and viral videos. You can change the scripts and drop them into across every platform. You don't need any editing skills and second takes. There are a number of features, but these four core features are mainly important. Because of that, the software get built. First features: transform videos using any image. In this picture you can change your videos with an image and lip sync avatar made from photos, and type changes old videos into auto edits, and the last one, face swap for both image and short clips. Let's talk about good and bad, I mean pros and cons. In pros side, you can upload videos up to 1 minute with 200 megabyte, and face swaps works for 30 seconds video. And third, this product is comes with 30 days money back guarantee. And in cons side, talking avatars are limited to 250 characters in the basic version, and there is no auto social sharing and social media integration. You need to post your generated content manually. Pricing, as per my view, it's affordable because the face form commercials cost you $17. It's include the commercial license, and enterprises it's cost you $27, and pro version of this software is cost you $37, and the ultimate all access cost you $97. In this ultimate version you can get unlimited avatars, face swaps, and voice mimicking and everything. Bonus tip, there are additional $3 discount for basic version during there is an 7 days WarriorPlus sales. If you are really interested guys, check the link in the description and make use of it. User reviews and rating. Here what's the users say. Overall the product performance, people is giving 3.5 out of 5. For user experience it's 4, and for pricing it's 4 out of 5, and face swaps and avatars we are getting 4 out of 5, and overall value for money we are getting 4 out of 5. Users usually try to mention that you can get the commercial license right away, which is the plus and added advantage of for this particular product. Final verdict. So is it worth it? Buy it if you are a new creator or a marketer on a budget looking for faster content workflows, especially if you love experimenting with faceless videos. Skip it if you are running a bigger brand. Overusing these avatar can affect your credibility, so be strategic. If you're curious to test this tool out, check out the link in the description. Let me know in the comment, will you be going faceless in 2025? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I'm a new creator, I'm trying to get some feedback, so if you have anything, just let me know in the comment. I'll improve in that for going videos. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next one.